What if a simple piece of wood could become something truly valuable? In this video from Crafted Wood Studio, we explore the transformation of raw wood into high-value designs through creativity, patience, and vision. This is not just about crafting, it's about seeing potential where others don't, and turning natural materials into something meaningful and visually powerful. Discover how small details, natural grain, and thoughtful shaping can elevate even the simplest wood into a design that stands out. Whether you're passionate about woodworking, design, or creative expression, this video will inspire you to look at wood in a completely new way. If you enjoy creative transformations and unique wood design content, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more. There's something quietly powerful about a simple piece of wood. At first glance, it looks ordinary, even forgettable. Rough edges, uneven texture, maybe a few cracks that seem like flaws. But if you look closer, really look, you begin to notice something else. A pattern. A rhythm. A story waiting to be revealed. And that's where everything begins. Because transforming wood isn't just about tools or techniques. It's about vision. It's about seeing what others overlook. And today, you're about to discover how something so simple can become something truly high value, something that stands out, not just visually, but emotionally. It always starts the same way, with a raw piece. No polish. No shine. Just potential. Most people would pass by it without a second thought. But the difference lies in perspective. When you start to see wood not for what it is, but for what it could become, everything changes. The first step isn't cutting. It's understanding. Every grain has direction. Every texture has character. Some lines flow smoothly, others twist unexpectedly. These natural details aren't imperfections, they are the design itself. When you follow them instead of forcing them, the result feels organic, almost effortless. And that's what gives a piece its value. Not complexity. Not expensive materials. But harmony. As the transformation begins, there's a moment where the raw surface starts to respond. A slight refinement here, a subtle adjustment there, and suddenly, the form begins to emerge. Not all at once, but gradually. Like uncovering something that was always there. This is where patience becomes your greatest tool. Rushing the process leads to something that feels incomplete. But when you slow down, when you let each step guide the next, the design evolves naturally. You're no longer just shaping wood, you're collaborating with it. And that collaboration is what creates uniqueness. Because no two pieces are ever the same. Even if the process is repeated, the outcome will always carry its own identity. That's the beauty of working with natural materials. It resists duplication. It rewards creativity. As the structure takes form, the transformation becomes more visible. Edges soften. Surfaces begin to reflect light differently. What once looked rough now feels intentional. Balanced. Refined. But here's the secret. High value doesn't come from perfection. It comes from contrast. The contrast between raw and refined. Between natural and crafted. Between simplicity and detail. When these elements come together, they create something visually striking. Something that captures attention without needing to demand it. And that's what makes people stop and look. At this stage, every decision matters. Small adjustments can completely change the final outcome. A slight shift in proportion. A subtle change in texture. These details might seem minor, but they define the overall feel. This is where experience meets instinct. You begin to trust your eye. You start to recognize what works and what doesn't, not based on rules, but on feeling. And when something feels right, it usually is. As the piece nears completion, there's a transformation that goes beyond the physical. The wood no longer feels like raw material. It feels like something meaningful. Something intentional. And that's when the real value appears. Because people don't connect with objects. They connect with stories. With emotion. With the sense that something was created with care, not just produced. This is what turns simple wood into something extraordinary. Not just the final look, but the journey behind it. The decisions, the adjustments, the moments of uncertainty, all of it becomes part of the final piece. And when someone sees it, even if they don't know the process, they can feel it. That feeling is what makes it valuable. It's not about making something complicated. It's about making something that feels complete. Something that doesn't need explanation, because it speaks for itself. And once you understand this, everything changes. You stop chasing perfection. You stop comparing. Instead, you start creating with intention. With curiosity. With a deeper appreciation for the material in front of you. Because every piece of wood holds potential. Not just to become something useful, but to become something meaningful. And the more you explore that potential, the more your designs begin to stand out. Not because they're louder or more complex, but because they're more authentic. That authenticity is rare. And in a world filled with repetition, it becomes incredibly valuable. So the next time you see a simple piece of wood, don't underestimate it. Look closer. Imagine what it could become. And more importantly, imagine what you can bring out of it. Because the transformation doesn't just happen in the wood. It happens in the way you see. And once that changes, there's no limit to what you can create. If this inspired you to see wood differently, then you're already on the right path. Keep exploring. Keep creating. And keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible with something so simple. And if you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to support the channel. Like the video, share it with someone who appreciates creativity, and subscribe to Crafted Wood Studio for more inspiring transformations. Because this is just the beginning.